Hey y'all, it's your favorite esthetician, the SK in Addiction, and today I have a wax review from my favorite wax brand, Sexy Smooth Wax. Now I told y'all about their Purple Seduction hard wax, but now they have a new Tinkle Pink hard wax that they sent me out. Now they sent me 2 bags to try out, and y'all know pink is my favorite color. I love all things pink. Just look at it. Y'all hear that? Hold on. Okay, we love a good ASMR. Their actually sounded too cute going into their pocket. Now y'all know I love their Purple Seduction, so y'all know the Tinkle Pink is about to hit even harder because you're gonna be able to see those hairs. So y'all just stay tuned for part 2 so I can show y'all what this wax do. Now, y'all know the Purple Seduction went crazy. Thank you for watching, and click the link in my bio to schedule your appointment.